Hello, I'm Dr. Nancy Penn. Let me share a story with you. A man in his late 60s, convinced that his best days were long behind him, stumbled upon something extraordinary. He didn't go to a pharmacy. He didn't sign up for risky procedures. Instead, he reached into his very own kitchen, pulled out a few ingredients that had been sitting there for years, and made a simple drink. And what happened next was remarkable. Within just 20 minutes, his energy surged. His confidence returned. His body responded in ways he hadn't felt in decades. No prescriptions. No surgeries. No complicated routines. Just a natural blend that worked with his body's own chemistry. Now, I know this sounds almost too good to be true. But after more than 30 years of working with men, farmers, veterans, teachers, executives, I can tell you this. Decline is not inevitable. Aging is not the problem. The real culprits are much simpler. Blocked circulation, hormonal imbalance, and a quiet, steady lack of essential nutrients. And here's the surprising truth. The fastest, safest fix isn't hidden in some secret lab. It's already in your pantry, waiting for you to use it. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful vinegar-based formulas, each one designed to open blood vessels, protect testosterone, and restore natural energy. Some of these blends can start working in as little as 20 minutes. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also share the ultimate power blend, a single recipe that combines the strongest elements of all 5. I've seen men in their 70s and 80s use this blend to reclaim energy, passion, and vitality they thought were gone forever. So let's dive in. Formula 1. Apple cider vinegar plus raw honey. It's simple, but don't underestimate it. Apple cider vinegar paired with raw honey is like a spark that reignites circulation and shields testosterone. I once worked with Walter, a 72-year-old retired firefighter. He came to me exhausted, defeated, and convinced nothing could help. Intimacy had become awkward, his energy was gone, and hope was slipping away. When I introduced him to this blend, he was skeptical. But within a week, he called me, his voice trembling. Dr. Penn, something has changed. Here's why. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a gentle artery cleaner that reduces inflammation and keeps blood flowing freely. Raw honey protects testosterone by blocking the process that converts it into estrogen, a quiet thief of male vitality. Recipe. Backhand index pointing right 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar plus 1 teaspoon raw honey in 8 ounces of warm water. Drink 30 minutes before you want to feel your best. Walter didn't just notice physical changes. His mood lifted, his focus sharpened, his energy carried through the day. He told me it felt like he had been carrying an invisible weight, and finally put it down. Formula 2. White vinegar plus fresh ginger. White vinegar may sound ordinary, but it's powerful. Its acetic acid dissolves plaque and calcium deposits that stiffen blood vessels. Pair it with freshly grated ginger, and you unlock something incredible. Ginger's oils trigger nitric oxide, the very molecule that makes strong circulation and performance possible. Frank, a 68-year-old retired builder, told me, "Doc, I'm not ready to hang it up. But nothing's working." I gave him this blend. Backhand index pointing right 1 teaspoon white vinegar, plus 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger and half a cup of warm water. Drink 20 minutes before activity. Within days, Frank emailed me, "Doc, I woke up this morning like I was 20 again." His stiffness eased, his knees felt better, his stamina soared. When circulation improves, everything improves. Formula 3. Balsamic vinegar plus dark cocoa. Now here's one that feels like a treat. Balsamic vinegar is loaded with polyphenol, compounds that protect arteries, reduce inflammation, and support blood flow. When you pair it with dark cocoa, you get a nitric oxide powerhouse. Samuel, 66, called this blend his chocolate shot of confidence. Recipe. Backhand index pointing right 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, plus 1 teaspoon unsweetened dark cocoa in 6 ounces warm water. Not only did his energy and intimacy return, but his memory sharpened and his focus improved, because cocoa boosts blood flow to the brain as well as the body. Formula 4. Rice vinegar plus turmeric. Rice vinegar is gentle yet effective. It supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and keeps circulation steady. Paired with turmeric, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices on earth, it becomes a shield against silent inflammation. the rust that damages blood vessels from the inside. Henry, an older gentleman showing early signs of diabetes, tried this blend. Backhand index pointing right, half teaspoon rice vinegar plus half teaspoon turmeric in a cup of green tea. Within a month, his blood sugar stabilized, his energy evened out, and his confidence in intimacy returned. This blend doesn't just restore vitality, it protects your future. Formula 5. Malt vinegar plus cinnamon. Finally, malt vinegar with cinnamon. Malt vinegar, made from barley, supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, balances blood sugar, and strengthens circulation. George loved this one because it tasted like a treat. He called it his secret tonic. His cravings for junk food dropped, his energy rose, and his stamina improved. Recipe. Backhand index pointing right, 1 teaspoon malt vinegar plus half teaspoon cinnamon in a glass of warm water. Drink before dinner, and enjoy steady energy into the evening. The ultimate power blend. Now the recipe that brings it all together. Backhand index pointing right, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Backhand index pointing right, 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar. Backhand index pointing right, half teaspoon raw honey. Backhand index pointing right, half teaspoon cocoa powder. Backhand index pointing right, a pinch of ginger. Backhand index pointing right, a pinch of cinnamon. Stir into 8 ounces warm water. Drink 20 to 30 minutes before activity. This is the drink I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, even 80s use to transform their energy, restore confidence, and reclaim passion for life. Gentlemen, let me leave you with this. Your body is not broken. It's simply been waiting for the right tools. Tools that nature has already placed within your reach. You don't need dangerous drugs or risky procedures. You need circulation, balance, and nourishment. And these simple natural blends provide exactly that. So try one tonight. See how your body responds. And remember, age is just a number. Health, strength, and vitality are choices. I'm Dr. Nancy Penn, and I'm here to remind you, you still have more energy, more confidence, and more life ahead of you than you think.